Welcome to JH. There is a website called BonusClaimsNow promising a $750 Amazon gift card to users in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. While it sounds appealing, a closer inspection reveals several red flags. To start, the domain was only registered in July 2025. Although news sites aren't always scams, such a massive offer from a brand new platform is highly suspicious. If you attempt to claim the reward, the site sends you through a series of unrelated pages and asks various random questions. Ultimately, no gift card is provided. The system seems built to generate clicks rather than deliver prizes. Furthermore, there is no way to reach the owners. You won't find an email address, phone number, or live chat. They also lack any social media presence, which is unusual for a company running major promotions. Additionally, there are no legitimate reviews on Trustpilot or the site itself. Because of these issues, the site lacks credibility. If you encounter BonusClaimsNow, it is best to stay cautious and avoid sharing your personal data. These types of offers often exist solely to harvest information or drive traffic without providing any real value.